Hey guys, welcome back. And today I do have this Kia NIRO full EV, and I believe it needs 12-volt battery. Let's go ahead and replace it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so before I condemn a bad battery, I did a serious test on it. To begin with, I got charge and retest. Well, I got only 4.6 voltage, right? So I did the diagnostic charge and it says a good battery, right? But when I test it again with a BTQ, it says fair condition and state of health is only 46%. I'm telling. All right, guys, so that's pretty simple, huh? Well, my final step will be checking the time and date. Well, it is 8:29 a.m. Wednesday, May 15 today. So I think this little audio unit has its own memory saving device, so you don't worry about adjusting them. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.